Planning a trip to London and wondering what to pack? Well, you've landed in the right place. We're going to walk you through the essentials, from what to wear for London's ever-changing weather to the must-have gadgets for your city exploration. We'll guide you through the do's and don'ts of packing, helping you prepare for rain or shine, busy streets or serene parks. And let's not forget the importance of respecting local customs while savoring the city's rich cultural heritage. Keep watching to find out how to pack like a pro for your London adventure. First things first, let's talk about what clothes to pack. London, the city of unpredictability, especially when it comes to weather. One minute it's sunny, the next it's pouring. So, to conquer the city's capricious climate, layering is your best friend. Start with a base layer, something light and breathable. Think cotton tees or thermal vests, depending on the season. These are great for those unexpected warm spells, and they're easy to roll up and stuff into your backpack when the temperature drops. Over your base layer, opt for items that can be easily added or removed as the day progresses. A mid-weight sweater or a long-sleeve shirt works wonders here. Remember, these should be versatile enough to pair with your base layer and also comfortable to wear on their own. Next comes the outer layer. This is where you'll want to focus on protection from the elements. A waterproof jacket is a must-have. Not only does it shield you from the infamous London drizzle, but it also serves as a windbreaker on those blustery days. And if you can find one that's lightweight and packable, even better. Now let's talk about your feet. You'll be doing a lot of walking. From the cobbled streets of Covent Garden to the sprawling greenery of Hyde Park. Comfortable footwear is essential. A sturdy pair of walking shoes or boots will keep you on the go without the dreaded foot fatigue. And don't forget to throw in a pair of waterproof shoes or boots for those rainy days. One last thing, don't forget about accessories. A scarf or a hat can provide that extra bit of warmth when needed, and they don't take up much space in your luggage. And of course, a sturdy, compact umbrella is a must. After all, this is London we're talking about. Remember, when it comes to clothing in London, it's all about layering and versatility. Prepare for all possibilities and you'll be ready to embrace whatever the city throws at you, come rain or shine. Now let's move on to the essential travel documents you'll need. A trip to London is not just about packing the right clothes, but also about having the right paperwork. First and foremost, your passport. This is your most vital document, so keep it safe and ensure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure date. If you're not a UK citizen, you might need a visa. Check the UK government's official website for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Next, don't overlook travel insurance. It's a safety net that can save you from unexpected costs due to accidents, illnesses, or even trip cancellations. Lastly, keep all your booking confirmations handy. These could be for your flight, accommodation, or any pre-booked attractions. These documents not only serve as proof of your bookings, but can also be helpful in planning your itinerary. So make sure all your travel documents are in order before you fly. Next up, we have health and safety items. Now, these may not be the most glamorous items to pack, but they are undeniably some of the most important. When you're out exploring the vibrant streets of London, you want to be prepared for any minor mishaps that might occur. And that's where a basic first aid kit comes in handy. It should include items such as plasters, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and bandages. Not only does it provide a quick solution to minor cuts or scrapes, but it also gives you peace of mind as you venture into the city. Medications are another critical item on our list. If you're on any prescription medications, make sure to bring enough for the duration of your trip, along with a copy of your prescription. Also, consider packing some over-the-counter remedies for common issues like headaches or upset stomachs. And let's not forget about health and safety items for those bustling urban areas. London, like any major city, can get crowded, particularly in tourist hotspots. Carrying hand sanitizer and a mask or two is a simple yet effective way to protect yourself and others around you. Remember, your adventure in London should be memorable for all the right reasons. You want to immerse yourself in the city's rich cultural heritage, not be sidelined by avoidable health issues or safety concerns. Staying healthy and safe should be your top priority, so don't skimp on these essentials. Let's not forget about the practical gadgets that can make your trip easier. Traveling to a different country is exciting, but it can also present some unique challenges. One of those is ensuring you have the right gadgets to keep your trip smooth and stress-free. First on your checklist should be a power adapter for UK sockets. It's important to remember that the UK uses Type-G outlets, which are different from the plugs used in many other countries. This small device will allow you to charge your phone, laptop, camera, and other electronics. It's as simple as plugging your device's charger into the adapter and then the adapter into the wall. Next up, consider packing a portable charger. London is a city brimming with historic sites and modern attractions, and you might find yourself away from a power outlet for extended periods. A portable charger ensures that your phone or camera doesn't die at a crucial moment, like when you're trying to snap a picture of the iconic Big Ben or find your way back to your hotel. A compact travel router could also be a game changer, especially if you're planning to work on the go or share a Wi-Fi connection with multiple devices. This handy gadget allows you to create a secure Wi-Fi hotspot and can save you from the often spotty and insecure public Wi-Fi networks. Don't forget a good pair of noise-canceling headphones. London can be a bustling and noisy city, so whether you're trying to focus on work in a cafe or just need to block out the world for a while, these can be a lifesaver. Plus, they're great for the flight over. Lastly, consider a waterproof phone case. London's weather can be unpredictable, and a sudden shower could put a damper on your day if your electronics aren't protected. I remember dropping my phone in a lake full of snakes and gators. Not a good day. Finally, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. London is a bustling metropolis with a pulse that never stops. It's easy to be swept up in the energy of the city, but remember to stay vigilant, especially in crowded areas. Keep your belongings close, be aware of your surroundings, and don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. Londoners are known for their friendliness and will gladly point you in the right direction. Now let's talk about local customs. London is a city filled with history and tradition that's just as important as its modern flair. When visiting historic sites, be respectful of the rules, whether it's a hushed whisper in the British Museum or a respectful distance at the Tower of London. And remember, while London is a cosmopolitan city, it's also a place where a polite please and thank you go a long way. But don't forget to immerse yourself in all that London has to offer. The city's cultural heritage is as rich as the Queen's jewels. Take time to explore its many museums and galleries, from the world-renowned British Museum to the cutting-edge Tate Modern. And the cuisine. London is a melting pot of flavors from around the world. Make sure to venture beyond traditional fish and chips and sample the city's diverse food scene. From Brick Lane's famous curry houses to Borough Market's gourmet food stalls, there's something for every palate. And when the sun goes down, the city lights up. London's nightlife is second to none. Whether it's a West End show, a pint in a historic pub, or dancing the night away in a trendy club, there's no shortage of ways to spend your evenings. With these tips in mind, you're all set for a safe and enjoyable trip to London. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you that we're here to help make your travel experiences as smooth as possible. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel at Safe Travels 911. We regularly share travel advice, destination guides, and safety tips to ensure you have the best travel experiences possible. You can also hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. And if you have any questions or need more information about any of the topics we've covered in this video, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our community and are always eager to help. So until our next journey together, stay happy and safe travels.